Today's video shows 5 trendy dropshipping items for the holiday season. The first recommendation is the retro turntable speaker. Many product videos posted on TikTok easily and millions of views. For example, this video has more than 60,000 likes, and many viewers expressed their willingness to buy in a comment section. This item features a stylish look and quality audio parts, combining decoration and practicality and offering a visual feast and immersive listening experience. With a clear time display and soft night light, it suits various indoor styles and occupies a hot spot on the gift list. The next one is the highlighter pen. The Google search trend shows that it has a stable market demand. Get this product with confidence under positive peer feedback. This product has many high playback volume videos on TikTok. The simple look and comfy grip design support 1 to 4 mm writing widths, catering to various customer pen using requirements, with various colors, quick drying and safe ink, and compatibility with different papers. The third potential item is the vacuum magnetic cell phone holder. This item's TikTok videos got millions of views. Good peer feedback indicates recognition of its high quality and practicality, showing its high popularity and huge sales potential. The vacuum absorption and strong magnet design give it strong adhesion, breaking through the limitations of mobile phone usage scenarios. The upgraded item features wider model compatibility and 360-degree rotation, making it attract more new users. Grab this hot seller to boost your sales. The fourth one is the mini sticker printer. It remains a hot discussion on TikTok. One video even got 8 million views. Its portable size and ink-free design perfectly cater to printing personalized stickers instantly and effortlessly. With a customized label and high paper compatibility, this item is a great life and work aid and a fine holiday gift option. The last profitable one is the reading pillow. It has impressive view counts on TikTok, attracting many potential new users. Featuring an ergonomic design with high-quality filling materials, it safeguards eyesight effectively and enhances reading comfort remarkably. Recommend it to your customers with confidence.